Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. So I personally love wearing perfume, but I am not a huge fan of some of the ingredients that are in conventional perfumes nowadays. So that's why I like to make my own at home with essential oils. It's actually really easy to make the recipe itself. The only tricky part is just kind of playing around and seeing what oils work for you personally, since smell is such an individual personal thing. So there is a certain amount of playing around to see what will work for you. I did also write a blog on this to kind of break down middle notes, top notes, things like that to hopefully make it a little bit easier for you to choose which oils you want to use personally. So after this video is over, please head on over to my blog and learn more there. So yeah, and if you have any more questions, just let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer them if I can. So yeah, let's just get started. First, you want to start off with a glass bottle. I got this one on Amazon and I will link it in my blog if you want to pick this one up yourself. The recipe itself is very simple. It is just 30 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of alcohol. You can also add more essential oils or less if you want a stronger or a more mild scent. It's totally up to you and what you prefer. For this perfume, I am using a blend of sweet orange, lilac, and lime. I really love the way it smells, but scent is a very personal thing, so I recommend just playing around with different scents and see what works for you. Now that I have all the essential oils in the glass bottle, I am going to be topping it off with alcohol. I'm just going to leave a little bit of room at the top to make it easier to put the spray bottle on top. I do recommend waiting at least 24 to 48 hours before testing it out because the scent will mature over time. So give it a little bit and then test it out and see if you want to add more alcohol or oil depending on how it smells. And that's it, you are all done. Remember to check out my blog for more information and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments at all, please let me know down below. And of course, please subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.